Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 272. If we start with this box here, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 3, 9, 3, 9. That means our 6 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. To finish out this row, looks like we're missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here and a 2 here, so this is our 7, 2, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 covering both of these boxes, so our 3 has to be here. But I don't see any other help, so 2, 9, 2, 9. For this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got 7 and 8 there. So this is our 9. We've got an 8 there, so 7, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this bottom row now, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 6. No help here. 3, 4, 6. 3 here, so 4, 6. So that means that our 3 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 9. 3 here, so 6, 9. That means that our 3 has to be here. For this column, looks like we're just missing a 2. And so for this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 9. And a 9 here, so 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 6. No help here, 4, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got that 7 here, so 5, 9. 5 and 9 here. So that means this is our 7, which makes this our 9 and our 5. That 9 makes this our 6, 7. And then we can get rid of this 7 here. For this column, looks like we're missing a 2 that can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so 1, 4, 1, and the 5 and 6 means this is our 4 and our 1. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. The 6 makes this our 9, 4, 6. This 2 makes this our 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 3, 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.